Hi, my name is Chaz. I'm 38 years old and I just recently ordered some pop-on veneers. I ended up getting tops and bottoms, as you can see, and I'm very pleased with how they came out. I was a little worried based on some of the reviews that I saw, the common issue being that most people had a lisp when they talk. I don't have that problem at all. I talk the same as I did before I got them. The thing that worried me the most was, would they fit right? Would they be too big or too small? They fit perfect. Absolutely perfect. They snap right on. They're snug. They don't fall off unless I take them off. So, I mean, I have no complaints. Literally, I have nothing but good things to say about these. The biggest thing for me, though, is getting my confidence back. For the past 5 or 6 years, I've lost my confidence completely. I have a tooth that was missing right here, and when that happens to you, you don't want to smile, and it really can wreck your confidence and your life. I mean, just in general, it's a hard pill to swallow when you're missing teeth. So obviously going to the dentist is a route to go, but I mean, unless you've got a bunch of money, your hands are kind of tied, and I'm kind of in that situation where I don't really have the money to go and spend thousands of dollars to fix my mouth. So once I saw that there was an avenue to take, such as pop-on, and I looked into it and I saw that the difference that it made in some of these people, I had to give it a try, and I can say it was well worth it. This may be the best decision I've ever made, and that's saying a lot, because a lot's happened in my life. So for anybody out there who's not pleased with their smile or their teeth, and you can fork up, $500. I mean, that's about what I spent, and I didn't have to pay all that at once. I mean, they've got a payment plan you can set up where you pay just a fraction up front and then monthly pay the rest. Or, if you qualify, you don't have to pay nothing up front and you can pay the rest later, or just pay it all up front. I mean, there's options is the point there. So I recommend them to anybody that's lost their confidence because of their smile and their teeth. I recommend that you try this out. This was a game changer for me, and I would do it again 100 times. So thanks a lot, Papa.